Quick question. Why does Facebook feel harder now than it used to? You post, people engage, messages come in, and somehow everything still feels scattered. That's not you failing. That's the old way breaking. The old way was simple. You posted, you replied, you followed up. Now, Facebook is louder, faster, busier, and the old way looks like this: replying when you remember, following up when you have time, losing conversations in Messenger, posting inconsistently, missing easy opportunities. Not because you're lazy, because Facebook gives you attention, not organization. The new way is different. The people who win now don't keep up. They run systems. Systems that organize people, automate follow-up, keep content consistent, remove mental load. That's what Friender is. Friender turns your personal Facebook profile into a simple automated system. Not ads, not funnels, not complexity, just structure. Friender tracks everyone who engages with you, organizes friends, comments, and messages, follows up automatically, turns comments into DMs, sends messenger campaigns, grows your friends list safely, schedules your posts, bulk schedules your content calendar, writes posts using AI in your voice. So Facebook stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling manageable, and you're not left guessing. Inside Friender, you also get message tools, content frameworks, Facebook growth training, safety masterclasses, monetization playbooks. The system and the instructions live in one place. If Facebook feels overwhelming, start the 7-day free trial. No credit card. Cancel anytime. Just see if your brain feels quieter. The old way is chaos. The new way is control. Friender is the bridge.